Friday, going live in 2 minutes. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. Happy Friday. Doing it my way and your way. Folks, welcome back to the Crypto Report. Don't know why I said that, but it does rhyme. So there you go. Ain't no crime. I gotta stop. Welcome back, guys. Today, the Kronos memes are pumping, and that's good news. We like when the Kronos memes pump, don't we? Because I know there's a lot of Kronos holders out there that absolutely love this ecosystem, absolutely love the Kronos token and the Mary token and CORGIAI with the trend-setting explosion. And I say trend-setting for a reason. It could be a sign. This could be a sign that things are turning the right way, my friends. Things are looking pretty nice. Pretty nice right now. So let's look at the Kronos ecosystem. Let's dive into some of the charts. Let's talk about some of your favorite picks, where your mind's at, where my mind's at, what's going on, and kind of what I'm seeing out there, because there's quite a bit to talk about with this Kronos ecosystem today and the overall crypto market. There it is. It's so weird that we get these weird, and then sometimes there's confetti that pops up. I had a thumbs up. I don't know. It's because I use my iPhone as a camera, and it's got all these automatic prompts. Today's a good day. Bitcoin's up to $59,000, almost $60,000. Super cool. Super great to see, my friends. By the way, welcome back to all you guys in the chat. Shout out to all the legends in the chat. Happy Friday. Thanks for taking the time out of your Friday to hang out for a minute here and talk about some crypto. So, yes, Bitcoin's up today. Fear and Greed Index is still very low. What does that mean? Incredible buying opportunities, still incredible buying opportunities. We do see Ethereum coming up a little bit today. Nothing crazy. Could Bitcoin still slip down? Yeah. Fed gonna speak next week. I got my baby due next week. Getting kind of crazy, getting close. Tuesday. So I got some pre-recorded videos that I'm kind of getting set up for you guys with some predictions. So get ready for those. Gonna be crazy. But today, what's the big movers in the market? Let's take a peek here, and we'll get to these memes here in a second, and the Kronos ecosystem. Nervos Network doing okay today. 46% gains. That's a big move coming into the top 100. Polygon's finally getting a pump. Overdue for a pump. It's been a while since we've seen a big move out of Polygon. Popcat continuously being at the top of the charts over and over and over again. Unbelievable. It did just have a big whoop move to the downside, and an absolutely spectacular recovery back up 44%. Ordi, a BRC20 token, one of the coins that I made a 50 plus X on in this bull market already. Took the profit out of that one. We got Pet Bitcoin moving up today. A lot of the big coins getting a nice little pump. So more things are green, and over the last 7 days, there are a ton of green coins, double-digit green coins, and not so many red coins. Helium down 7% over the last 7 days. Things are looking good. September is less bearish than I had anticipated it to be so far, but please remember, it's still pretty early in the month. We're a third of the way through September, so there's still room for some shenanigans, if you will. The Fed, the rate cut, the pivot, these things. Let's keep an eye on that. Shout out to Eddie in Vegas. Roll the dice, bro. Eddie, you probably don't play. People from Vegas probably don't go to casinos, right? Right, Eddie? I don't know. I'm curious. Let me know. Anyway, things are green, which is so weird that the Fear and Greed Index is down right now. Too good to be true? I don't think so. September could still end up red. Let's see where we're at right now. Let's look at some of the data that we got going on. So let's start with the Bitcoin percentage returns going to CoinGlass. And historically, remember, in a post-halving year, look at the gains. Look at the gains in Q4. Post-halving year, gains in Q4. This is what we're on schedule for, guys. This is technically what should be coming. These are post-halving years. Look at the gains. They're awesome. They're awesome. And this is the post-halving here. These could be those gains. They're awesome. They're awesome. So I'm very, very excited for that. September is green. It's shocking. It's crazy. It's not very green. Last September was green. It shouldn't have been green, but it was green. Historically, down 4% is what we're going to see for Bitcoin in a September. Fed rate cut coming later could be the thing to slip us down potentially. So no to the Vegas situation. Okay, there you go. October, November, gonna be great, guys. Should be great. Historically speaking, gonna be great. And what's awesome to see is the Kronos ecosystem getting some momentum. And here you go, my friends. Mystery Mary token at the top of the charts today. In terms of deck screener and most trending coin, Mystery Mary token doing very well today, getting $177,000 in volume. It has 829K liquidity. Like 100K liquidity was added over the last couple days, which is kind of crazy. Doing well. Crow with knife, number 2 on Kronos, getting a nice move back up today. This is awesome to see as well. Trying to scoop back up, make a move to the upside. Now, I'm going to go out on a limb and say, I mean, this was happening kind of regardless, right? I mean, Mary's kind of been coming up and Caw's been hanging on, but CORGIAI came out of nowhere with a pump. And that is not surprising to me at all, because it's almost as if every time CORGIAI hits a level, and this would be a level, right? This would be a level. Every single time we kind of see CORGIAI, it's kind of a tilted line, but play with one of these levels, break down through and break up, right? Or bring it down to here, this level, right? Extend it out. It broke down through and then breaking back up. It seems like there's kind of pretty obvious opportunities to accumulate a coin like this. Do you want to take the risk, and do you want to buy a meme coin? Do you want to buy a meme coin on Kronos? Do you want to buy CORGIAI? I don't know. That's up to you guys. But what I do think is that seeing this pump for CORGIAI, and we might see some resistance around 001, or maybe we blast off back to Valhalla. Who knows? This was in the top 5 of all meme. CORGIAI was in the top 5 of all meme coins in the entire crypto market at one point. That's crazy to think about. Could it get back? Maybe. Who knows? But I'm going to go out on a limb and say something here. CORGIAI pumping with 580K of volume, actually not that much volume, for a 653K liquidity coin and $340 million locked up in it. When this coin moves, it could be a catalyst to have some of those profit takers move over to Crow with Knife, to Mystery Mary token, to any of these coins within this ecosystem. Now, the cool thing going on right now for Mystery Mary token, guys, is a couple things. One, my partner on the channel, Black Sea, tweeted out, happy to see Mary get some acknowledgement and integration. Next stop, the big listing. on crypto.com, and I agree with him. But here you go. Here's the big news today that I think is helping drive this price up, along with the CORGIAI pump, along with the Bitcoin pump, obviously. Exciting news, Mary is coming to Loaded Lions Main City members. Legion, prepare for an intense face-off in the upcoming blitzes, because Mary has joined the void. Devil emoji. Mystery on Kronos holders, prepare for the battle in Main City and enjoy lower attack costs and cooldowns, longer attack durations. Guys, Crypto.com is tweeting out hashtag Mary. They got mystery on CRO. Do you think they're going to list this coin? Of course they're going to list this coin. There is no doubt in my mind that they are going to list this coin. The matter of the question is when. When are they going to list this coin? Seeing this tweet come from Crypto.com and seeing hashtag Mary and seeing them at the mystery on CRO thing, how are they not going to list this? Crypto Monster says, wow, look at all these different mystery Mary things. Everybody's bullish on Mary. So many people are excited about Mary. Listing next. Let's go, guys. Everybody wants this to be listed. I think they're going to list it. How could they hashtag Mary? How could they at Mary mystery on Kronos without listing this token? That is not possible. In my mind, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. I'm a top 50 holder of the mystery Mary token as well. But I'm doing that for a reason. Haven't said that in a while, but yeah, I'm a top 50 holder of this coin right now, guys. It's been painful. It's been going down for a while, but I saw the vision and I still see the vision. Could this be having another retracement of Bitcoin slip? Could this come back? Yeah, I'm not saying it's going to go to the moon right now. Okay. I'm not saying it's going to go to the moon right this very moment, but what I am going to tell to you is I agree with Black Sea. Next stop is the big listing on crypto.com. It's what I've been saying for a very long time. I've been waiting for this exchange listing. I've had this little ghost to acknowledge Mary in my profile for a very, very long time. I tweeted out the other day, and I just retweeted it. List Mary and it shall 6x like a rocket to the moon. I believe that this could happen. The better CORGIAI does, the better Mary can do, the better Crow with Knife can do, the better Crow with Knife does, the better the other two can do, the better Mary can do, the better the other two, and then all the other ones. And then all the other ones. And I know. I haven't been talking about the other ones. I never really loved Dip or Loaf because they were kind of launched, or Damoon, internally from, the Kronos team. Krob, never really liked those coins. I was more of a fan of some of these other ones. Some of these other ones in here, and not a lot of them are trending. Ryoshi, I didn't mind so much. I didn't mind that one. What is this? XRP on Kronos. Oh my gosh. FRTN token associated with Ebisu Bay. A lot of these other coins kind of disappeared. Crow ID. You know what? It's so interesting because what happened to all these other ones that we were talking about? The Mouse and the Pasta, the Croaky the Frog, all these other, and some of those I did like a lot. And not to say that I don't anymore. Let me be very clear. Some of those I still do like. Those two in particular. I don't own any, by the way, anymore. I don't. Could I get into those again? Potentially. I told you guys that I exited those positions a while ago because, let's face it, look at what happened to the Kronos memes. I had to protect myself. And everybody, you gotta... That's the risk of memes. There's a lot of moves to make. But is there a world where I could see these memes coming back? Yeah, I do believe there's a world where a lot of these memes come back. Not all of them. Let's Go Crow and all these other ones. And what's the other? Fortune Favors the Brave and Brave Coin or whatever it is. All these other, I'm rooting for them all. Croaky, the Pasta, the everything. I want them all to do well. I know the cat one just got acknowledged by Ken Timsit. Let's see what Ken tweeted out recently. He just acknowledged Croginals. Ken Timsit acknowledged Croginals a little bit. Also talking about CORGIAI. But yeah, just Ken Timsit, one of the heads of Kronos, getting in there. So this is cool to see. I got a bored candy NFT. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't really love NFTs, but anyway, and here's the thing to remember, guys. For all the people giving up on Kronos right now, crypto's been calm to quiet. It's been flat. Don't forget, bear market, beginning of a bull market. TVL has not come back to the previous highs. Kronos launched at these highs. The fact that Kronos was able to hang on, even staying relevant within the top 20. Right now, Kronos is number 20 in TVL and DeFi. I mean, it's potentially got a bright future, guys. Let's just see how this bull market plays out. Regardless of if it's bigger or better than a thing like Solana, which I don't think that's realistic necessarily, right? It could be. Who knows? Maybe in the future. Probably not in this bull market. But I do think that it's going to get a ton of volume. When this TVL chart that I just shared with you guys goes to new highs, total market cap goes to new highs, Kronos is probably going to get a lot of volume. These memes like Mystery Mary Coin, it's only at a $5.6 million market cap. To put that into perspective, if it goes to a $50 million market cap, that's a 10x. If it goes to a $100 million market cap, that's a 20x. Okay, if it goes to a $500 million market cap, that is a 100x. It's a very low market cap. It doesn't take a lot of money to move these things. At $500 million in crypto is chump change. Not for me, not for you, but for a market cap for a token, relatively speaking, is chump change. If Dogecoin goes to $88 billion in the peak of a bull market, where could a coin, a niche coin, the most popular, top trending coin in an ecosystem, Mary token, go in a parabolic bull market? Where can a coin like this go? Can it go to $1 billion? It might. Crow with Knife, could it go to $1 billion? It might. CORGIAI, could it go, to several billion? Isn't it still at $1 billion? No, it was at $1 billion at one point. Could it go back to $1 billion? Absolutely. Absolutely. CORGIAI could go back to $1 billion. It was already at $1 billion. It could go back. So there's a lot of things to be excited about. There's other memes on there that I don't want to get into all these so much, but you can filter on memes on Kronos. Somebody made this cool platform, memes on Kronos, to track all the Kronos memes. Mystery Mary's got the big ad banner at the top. They got the partnership with this one. Again, another example why Mary's kind of, I think, king right now. Crow with Knife was king. Mary's kind of king. Doesn't have the exchange listing crypto.com yet. I know a lot of people are going to hate me for saying that Mary is king compared to Crow with Knife. Well, Crow with Knife's got a larger market cap, but the fact that they got an integration with the Loaded Lions main city is kind of a big deal. It's kind of a big deal. It's pumping right now more so than Crow with Knife. And I think, I don't know. I mean, we'll see how it plays out. I don't want to come out and say that I think Mystery is going to outperform Crow with Knife necessarily, because Crow with Knife is the thing that started it all. Without Crow with Knife, Mary wouldn't even be relevant. Mary wouldn't even be relevant without Crow with Knife, because nobody cared about Kronos memes until Crow with Knife. That's a fact. But at this point, Mary's doing a great job. Crow with Knife, I'm bullish on it. But Mary's doing a great job. CORGIAI, gonna stay bullish on that one. That's the OG. That's like the first most successful Kronos meme coin there's ever been. So that's huge. That's huge. Yeah, Coin Baron says, love that they post Mary on the official CDC account, but don't have it listed. I love it too. It's a hint. Don't miss out on the hint. They're gonna list it. Front run the trade, right? That's the idea. I've got a bag. I'm ready to go. So, and Club Crow says I'll hold Mary and Crow, but both great. I agree. They're both great. They're both great. I'm excited. I'm excited. A lot of people have been down in the dumps with the Kronos ecosystem lately. I hope this brings some excitement back to the table for you guys. I hope you can get excited about this again. Just look at the chart. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, guys. We're pumping. We're pumping, y'all. On the hourly time frame, let's just do some little TA with this. And let's do a little like quick fun TA with Mary and Caw. So here's the fun part, guys. Whenever you see a candle break past a candle that happened a long time ago, that's a good sign. This pump went past this candle, and this candle, if you guys are seeing my screen well. This pump right here is breaking through this, and this little candle over here. We are going to have some other key little peaks over here. We could potentially find a stopping point over here, kind of at this little candle peak. We could potentially find a stopping point over here, up here. These are some of the obvious spots. There's a lot of times where we kind of hit up over here. Stopped over here. So like this is another key level kind of in this line range right here. If I zoom out a little bit, here's the thing that I think a lot of people are going to be looking at right now. If you want to draw some kind of wedge on this, I mean, this is kind of the wedge, guys. When it's been trading sideways, I mean, it already broke out of this wedge. So that's done. I mean, like, that's done. Maybe there's a range up in here. Maybe we broke below the wedge. Maybe there's an argument there. There's not really a lot of great TA on this right now, to be honest with you. What I think happened is it kind of bled out. It stopped. The sellers sold. There was a couple buyers, a couple accumulators. Then a couple other people took an opportunity to make an exit and get out. And like they rode this, like what happened here is like this thing bled out. This thing bled out. And then a couple of people are, oh, I got to buy this. I bought a little bit here too. And then the other people that wrote it down are like, this is too painful. Oh, this is my chance to get out right here. Exit. Couple other buyers. More people exit. Buyers. The last people exited, okay? Last to the last exited right here. This was it. This was a very slow move, fearful move. Oh, approaching the low. We're going to break back down all the way to here, people say. And then nothing happens over the course of an entire month. Nothing happened. The sellers already cheated. They're gone. Congratulations. If you made it, I think you've got an exchange listing to look forward to for Mystery Mary token. And the good news is, my friends, is that if Mystery Mary token pumps, I think Crow with Knife is going to pump as well. Crow with Knife is why Mary pumped in the first place. Wouldn't it be funny if Mary pumping is what gets Crow with Knife pumping now? I think that's fun. I think that's lovable. I think that's good stuff. Crow with Knife has a little bit of a more obvious pattern, kind of. Little bit. And it does look like it's about to break out. It does look like it's about to break out. The TA on Crow with Knife has always been pretty darn good, to be honest with you. There's been pretty good TA on Crow with Knife. It was really easy to do TA on Crow with Knife. Actually, now on this live stream stay, I'm not going to be surprised if in the next couple days we see Crow with Knife either breaking down to this, 70651 level, or more likely what I really expect is it's just massive move for Crow with Knife as well. I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing be up like CORGIAI is today, 58%. I just like these three coins. I'm just ready. This could be a signal. This thing might want to rip. Pretty cool. Club Crow says the Crypto Arena airdrop has amazing way to earn Crow with Knife. Very cool. That's a really cool integration as well. Yeah, Crow with Knife ain't going anywhere in my opinion. I think Crow with Knife's set for a breakout. Probably set for a breakout, friends. Probably set for a breakout. Yeah, that chart looks pretty... Yeah, I mean, there's a wedge there. There's no doubt about it. There's definitely a wedge right there. Yeah. Look at it. Could have even broken out from the wedge, potentially, you could say. You could make the argument. So it's looking good. Monolith Wealth Wraith says, where do you see Crow's price in December? Above 10 cents. Below 30 cents. Above 10 cents. Maybe if we're lucky at 30 cents. Crow's a late bloomer. So we'll see. In terms of CORGIAI, yeah, probably going to find some resistance up here at this 2011 or 2012 maybe. So we'll see how she shakes out. All right, guys. We're pumping today. Congratulations. Exchange listing coming soon? Do you think so? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all I got in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Do me a favor, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. DCA HODL. Until next time, my friends. See you in the next one. Next week, I should have a live stream Monday unless we're having a baby. So we'll see how that goes. Got a kid due next week. Tuesday we're scheduled. But could be Monday. We'll see. That's all I got. See you next time, y'all. Peace.